It's been a while since XRP has been struggling for a fair decision, but the wait will finally be over in no time. XRP is ready to skyrocket to $80 in just the blink of an eye because the case is going to end soon. For now, the crypto market appears a bit volatile, but that isn't something to worry about as these are healthy market trends. There was an endless speculation for XRP's growth in 2021. However, many of those did not turn out in reality. Nevertheless, 2022 will be a blast year for XRP. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about XRP shooting up in 2022. So what exactly will be the reason behind that? Is this because of the rumors about the settlement happening soon? We are going to answer all of that for you today. Moreover, we have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Many experts predicted Bitcoin to touch the $70,000 to the $80,000 mark in 2021. On the contrary, Bitcoin stood at around $45,000. Likewise, there were some predictions for XRP shooting up to 5, 10, and even more, but unfortunately, that didn't happen either. In 2022, XRP rates can be expected to maintain their stability. One thing to keep in mind is the longer the market will take, the higher it will shoot up. The new generation is highly optimistic for its growth in the coming years, as they have realized the intrinsic worthiness of cryptos, which is why XRP is bound to grow, as we cannot overlook the fact that XRP is developed keeping in mind all the flaws of Bitcoin. XRP is a cryptocurrency that is perfectly designed and possesses actual potential. The crypto market is actually the stock market 2.0 of the contemporary era. Some of those tokens are very limited in supply, but they have the potential to revolutionize the financial world. One of those is your favorite and highly reliable XRP. XRP is not only a cryptocurrency, but soon to be recognized as a digital currency. The two best features for XRP transactions are speedy transactions with just a blink of an eye, while the transaction fees are minimal. At the same time, it is the most affordable option available for international payments and remittance. Many experts are highly optimistic about XRP's growth in 2022. World Bank and IMF, the two major platforms, visualize XRP to serve as the next global bridging currency. It is suitable from all corners to be a bridging currency. Some of the countries have already planned its adoption after the regulatory stability. All these are notable pointers for XRP, but only worth it if you own it. Only a small bunch of people who own XRP are enjoying the benefits from it. It's important to know that this is just a start. XRP will shoot up, and those who own it will be benefiting enormously in the gold rush. In no time, XRP will be flying around $5 to $10. No doubt there will be ups and downs, but in any market, these trends are bound to happen. You may not find XRP significant as of now, but when it touches the $50 mark, those that were planning to invest but who did not step ahead will be regretting. Crazy momentum can be expected in the coming months for XRP. When we see the current price, it is revolving somewhere around 82 cents. Jumping a couple of years behind, somewhere between November 2019 to 2020, XRP was valued between 24 cents to 35 cents. Many people question how XRP can emerge as a global digital currency if it keeps on staggering. The fact is, XRP will go up to a certain point, maybe 100, 500, or even 1,000, and after that it will stabilize and achieve its milestone. Initially, when Bitcoin was somewhere around $5,000, no one believed that a day would arrive when Bitcoin would be touching the $60,000 mark. The same goes with XRP. Let's do a little math to make it easier for you to understand. If you plan on investing in XRP now, then most likely you will be buying one XRP at 82 cents or the current valuation. But in a few years, that same XRP will be sold in fractions at tremendous prices. So if you're willing to XRP with $100, you can own approximately 110 XRP But soon, when the prices of XRP will bounce to $100, one will be paying $100 for 1 XRP. We know that this difference is outlandish, but yes, this is bound to occur because of the potential it possesses. Later, when everyone is running to buy at such prices, you will be selling those XRPs at a premium and enjoying all the hefty gains from it. Apart from selling, the owner always has an option to hold on to it and wait for more gains. The reason for staying back and holding up on the stack are endless. Let's take a look at some of them. Ripple's smart team is concentrating to spread Ripple XRP all over the globe in the same way information spreads quickly and efficiently. Once officials cemented that this is a two-way strategy, everyone is aware that Ripple is emerging as a competitor for banks and financial institutions, but on the flip side, Ripple is serving as a product to those platforms for surviving in the dynamic market. This sounds really amazing. From both sides, it is the Ripple who would profit and ultimately lead the future financial services. Not only are they capturing the market from both sides, but they are even excelling with brilliant ideas by brilliant personalities. Ripple is emerging as an idol for financial needs. It is promoting Bill Gates' idea of banked to unbanked in an efficient manner. With its outstanding features, it is a favorite among banks, financial institutions, investors, and lastly, payment platforms. Did you guys know that Ripple has already signed deals with 350 plus platforms? In addition, it is still engaged in expanding its boundaries. The adoption of Ripple by banks is not only making their payment mechanism efficient, but they're also benefited because of the reduced cost for providing such services to their customers. All banks and financial institutions are saving huge amounts due to this Ripple adoption. This is really remarkable for them, not only in banks and financial institutions, but XRP is also making its significant position in the CBDC space. The World Economic Forum visualizes XRP as the best suitable for a CBDC space. The central bank's core aim is to develop digital currencies that solve the problems faced by central banks. Hence, they believe in developing a CBDC. Ripple's XRP is being utilized for payments and settlements that are made between intra or interbanks. Despite XRP's ongoing lawsuit, they excelled at a great pace. No doubt, initially they faced some harsh troubles and they are still facing it. Ripple had to bear its consequences like delisting from many crypto exchanges and even a break in one of the biggest partnership deals with MoneyGram. MoneyGram and Ripple was one of the best partnership examples for providing payment cross-border mechanisms. But due to the SEC charging Ripple for selling unregistered securities, MoneyGram banned the partnership with Ripple. Brad said that it was one of their types of partnerships for on-demand liquidity. However, they had to conclude that they were winding up a partnership and awaiting regulatory clarity. Once they're all set with regulatory clarity, there are chances that Ripple and MoneyGram both shake hands once again. If this happens, it would be a great deal for both the emerging companies, and this would indirectly raise the prices of XRP. All of these events just happened in the span of a year after the lawsuit struck, but surprisingly, all these events are limited to the US. In other nations apart from the US, the government is stating XRP as a currency. It would be fair to say that the US is the only one that is not recognizing XRP as a security. In other G20 markets, they have the UK, Switzerland, Japan, Singapore, or parts of the Middle East. Everywhere XRP is stated as a currency and not a security. Brad said that it's better to get regulations sooner rather than later. The CEO is being optimistic for the future of XRP because of the ongoing scenario in favor of Ripple XRP. 95% of its clients are non-US based, hence the regulatory clarity in the US will affect Ripple merely and will not be creating problems in the long run. Brad said that they are experiencing 10 times growth every year in other countries and would soon be extending its boundaries globally. Every quarter, the rise in growth for XRP is 40% compared to the last one, hence a remarkable one. This simultaneously raises the prices per token, creating a bull for the coin. Hence, if this continues, we can enjoy XRP touching the moon. That said, this is it for today's video. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP hitting $40 soon. Are you going to buy XRP while it's cheap? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and see you in the next video.